Hello friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for dynamic problem. Okay, and we can able to call it as a auto suggestion also. Okay, and previous two sessions I showed that static and multi-selection of drop down. Now I'm going to show for dynamic drop down. Okay, how we can able to handle. And for this I'm choosing for make my trip app. Okay, this make my trip app I'm going to show you, and here we can once we can able to launch for this particular app, and we can able to see there is a flights and all, right. This particular concept it will comes. Okay, we can click and we can see some of the values, and that particular values we can able to handle. Okay, and it will give the list of values. From that list of values we can able to provide a proper value. Okay, now I'm going to launch for this. First, we can launch it and then we can handle. Okay, this is start dynamic drop down. Okay, this is my make my trip app. Okay, and I don't want this entire colors and all. Okay, for this I'm going to use for driver dot manager dot window dot maximize size. Okay, and also I'll use for some driver concept to make time also. Implicit wait and time space dot of 4 seconds. Okay, I'm going to use for some 50 seconds to wait the driver. Okay, we'll see that whether we can able to launch and see what other things it is coming. Okay, then we can go ahead and do it for remaining operations. Okay, now my trip app is ready. Okay, it is providing for this particular pop-up. Okay, we can handle and click this particular drop down and check whether it is having proper or not, what kind of value we can choose. Okay, spanning and before and close. Okay, this particular concept I will take it. Okay, now I'm going to make a control F to forward slash star, and I'm going to specifying this at the rate symbol and my value. Okay, one of one it is presenting, and I'm copying this particular locator and coming back here, and I'm pasting here, and driver dot find elements by dot x path, and I'm going to specify my x path here and dot click option because I will need to close that particular pop-up, right. Now I'm closing this one, and I will see whether we can able to close this particular pop-up or not. Okay, why I'm using directly because it is a one kind of pop-up it is coming. Okay, I tried for multiple ways, that's why I just I can, yeah, you can able to close that. Okay, and now I practice because of that. I know that that is not a lot. Okay, it's one kind of pop-up. Because of that, I handle directly. Okay. In your case, you can check for first, then only you can do it. Okay. Now we need to click this one and we need to see. For this, we need to find our inspect element. Okay. And here we need to find that particular what kind of things is there because we need to click right. We need to raise fence set automatically this, and because it is automatically going right, because of that I'm using this particular symbol. It should not go. then only we can able to see properly. This is a class name. Okay. And if you see, there is an input box, there is a form city. Okay, form city ID is there. Okay, that form city ID we need to take. I'm taking the form city ID, coming back here. Okay, after clicking this particular one, driver dot find element, and I'm using for find dot ID. Okay, in this ID I'm going to specify dot a click function. Okay, after clicking that, we need to specify some value. Okay, after you click, we can able to see there is a one kind of information. This is the called form. Okay, after clicking, we can see the form. Okay, placeholder is the form. Okay, that placeholder we will take it. Okay, I'll take the placeholder form and I'll generate one for left star at the placeholder. Okay, now we are able to placing. Okay, we need to give some value into that particular box. Okay, driver dot find element by dot xpath, and here we can able to specify. Okay, and then we need to send the send key. Okay, and here I'm going to specify MUMB Mumbai. Okay, once I type UMB, it will give some set of values. Okay, we need to read that entire values, then only we can able to make it right. Now I'll take this path and we are able to done right. Now we need to see that entire suggestions, but we need to provide here we need to find the entire list of values which all the things are presented. Okay. The alternative icon, so only one div. This is also one div. This entire ULs is presented. A roll of list box. We can see this path is whether it will work as expected or not. This one path is available. We can see this into yes, 16 values are presented. Okay, this is the X path. I'm going to get that now. Driver dot find elements. Okay, because we need to get that list of all the values, right? Because of that, I'm using for find elements. Okay, find element it will return for single value. A find elements it will give for a list of web elements. Okay, and specified here. Okay, and I need to store this entire list of values into one list of for iWeb element. Okay, web element, and we need to specify as elements iWeb element list of I web elements. Okay, web element is in a Selenium with the Java. I web element is basically Selenium with C sharp. Okay, and now here we need to use some for loop. Okay, in this for loop, what we can do, int I equal to 0. Every element start with 0, because of that I specified the 0. And then I greater than like a element or dot account. Okay, because we can able to count the how many elements are there and plus symbol. Okay, and here we need to use for some kind of like element I dot a text. Okay, this text will get that entire text value, and we need to store some string place, right? String value. Okay, we are able to store. Okay, now after storing this entire value, we need to print all the values. Okay, and here I can use for value. Okay, I'm storing now. Okay, now I'm going to run for my dynamic dropdown whether I can able to print all the values or not. Okay, we can see now. Yes, see, we are able to print all the things. Mumbai, Chhatrapati, New Delhi, and Indira Gandhi International, and Bangalore, India, PLR. Okay, Bangalore International Airport. Okay, Pune Airport. We are able to specify all the kind of values. Okay, which is the one we want. We can able to pick. Okay, once it is matched the value, then we can able to click it. Right, now I'm going to use for any kind of value, which one you want we can able to use, and we can click whether it can able to select that particular value or not. Okay, shit, MUMD. Okay, now you can see here, you can all the values are separate is there. Okay, MOB, MOB, yeah, you can see this one. If value dot contains this value, then you can make it for dot click. Okay, once it is clicked, then we can say that break the loop. Okay, because if we search also, the drop down will not be present, because of that I'm closing. Okay, now again I'm clicking here and clicking running. You can see now whether we are able to pick specific value or not. See, MOB Mumbai, we are able to select it, right? Like this, we can able to select any kind of value by using for the dynamic drop down by using like this. Okay, for loops and all. We can get that entire iWeb elements, and then we can able to count, and we can able to do some for loop, and there whenever it is match some specific value, we can able to change click. Okay, this way we can able to handle for dynamic drop down. I hope it this entire information help for you, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.